Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 9.
Hey, pumpkin. Do you like that?
Yeah.
So, hey, Chrissy. Hey, pumpkin. It's time to spice it up. Debbie is back, and she's sharing all of the fall seasonings. The fall spices are back.
Yes.
It is really like my favorite time of the year.
It's great.
It's great.
The leaves change. You can feel the air. Like
Yes.
there's something about the air that changes.
There's something about the air, and there's something like when you see the pumpkins, everything just feels warm and cozy.
Yeah.
What are we making this morning?
We are making, are you ready?
Yes.
Pumpkin spiced pumpkin zucchini bread.
Pumpkin spice, pumpkin zucchini bread. Why do we have cut 2 pumpkins in there?
Because there's actually pumpkin in it and there's pumpkin spice.
Ah, got it. Okay,
Yeah.
pumpkin spice is different than pumpkin?
Well, this is just pumpkin puree.
Okay.
So if you scooped out the insides, this is a blend of spices, which include ginger, nutmeg, cloves, cinnamon.
Okay.
And you can add allspice to it also. Really, you can create your own pumpkin spice of any of those warm flavors
There
you want.
are always so much health benefits when it comes to spice. So what comes with all the pumpkin?
So lots of great anti-inflammatories. So cinnamon, ginger, actually nutmeg and cloves are all anti-inflammatory. Ginger's great for soothing the stomach.
Yes.
You know, if you get a little nausea. High in antioxidants, as well as reducing your blood sugar levels for cinnamon and
Yeah,
cloves.
I put cinnamon on my coffee, on my cold brew.
Oh, yeah.
I just dust a little bit. It smells so good in this kitchen right now. I'm almost tempted. I was sharing earlier that my son's birthday's tomorrow. You have a son's birthday who's?
Today.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Is this what happens when they grow up, Debbie?
Yes, 26.
What's his name?
Michael.
Michael, happy birthday.
Look at that. That's the first preschool picture.
That's what happens,
Cheers
friends. They're
to
like that, and then
Yeah.
they turn like that.
Yeah.
Happy birthday to your
Thank
son.
you.
This will be like a fun little treat to make. Can you make this like a cake and stick a candle in it?
You know, there's a whole conversation of a muffin versus a cupcake, right? Do we put frosting on it? Then it suddenly becomes dessert,
That's
which
true.
I did. I made a little icing.
There you go. We're gonna do that today. Let's make this.
Okay, so what we have here is flour, 3 cups flour. And I have baking soda, baking powder. You can go ahead and throw those in.
Okay, I can help.
This is
Just
like,
throw 'em in?
yep.
Okay.
This is like a dump and bake.
I
you
like
know?
dump and bake. No vanilla yet? No.
Whatever,
Okay.
go as you want. That's 2 teaspoons of vanilla,
so
a little
good.
bit of salt,
Okay.
and sugar.
All of this?
Almost all of it. Yeah, it's 1.5 cups. That's good. All right.
I mean,
And the
we're gonna do it.
spices.
This is the pumpkin spice mix
Pumpkin
that you're
spice.
talking about?
Yeah,
Okay.
teaspoon if you want spicier. 3 eggs.
3 eggs.
Olive oil or
Olive oil.
vegetable oil.
Okay.
And pomegranate juice. We love pomegranates. I know, we love pomegranates.
Pomegranates, so good.
And this is the pumpkin spice.
If baking would just be like this, where somebody can measure the stuff out and you just dump it in a bowl.
Yep. Right? I think that's called Blue Apron.
Yeah. You're right. It is. It is.
There you go.
Okay, I got it out.
So we mix all that up.
Okay.
I could do this. I don't want to splatter on you, but
No.
we'll mix that, right?
Okay.
So we'll just mix it carefully
Mix
here.
it carefully.
Yeah.
You blend it,
You blend it. And then after this is all mixed in, we can add the zucchini. So
And
it'll
this is
become a
zucchini.
nice batter. Yeah, go ahead and pour it in. We'll
Okay.
mix it all in.
All of it?
Yep. So 2 cups.
Okay, 2
Yep,
cups
so this
zucchini.
will all get mixed in and it will become a beautiful batter. And what I wanted to share with you is ways you can bake it. I am a huge fan of parchment paper.
Me too.
So I always line it so then I don't have to clean it out. If you wanted to make gifts for people, you can do these cute little ones and wrap them up, or of course the parchment paper muffin pans.
Okay.
And you know, we would magically pretend we've put this in the oven,
Put it in the
in the
oven,
pan,
okay.
and we take it out of the oven and we get voila.
Look at this, friends.
And the beauty of this is that it just pops right out. It comes right off. Yeah,
That's
exactly.
what I'm talking about. Let's put that there.
And then I have a little bit, this is just powdered sugar and water.
Okay.
And if you wanted to add some orange zest to it, you could, and drizzle it on.
See?
Yeah, and then we can taste it up if you wanted to drizzle it over those.
You can. Why not?
Yeah.
FoxFiveSanDiego.com. If you click the scene on tab, it gets you Debbie's recipes.
There you go.
You can learn all about these spices. Happy birthday to your son.
Thank you.
Look at the cakes your mama made for you today. And give your mama a hug, because remember, she's the one that birthed you, right?
That's right.
Okay, happy
birthday to your son, too,
Thank
you.
Thank you. Okay, now it's time for us to eat this. We'll be right back. Oh, this looks so good.